Hello everyone. Today on Relax Your Dog YouTube channel showing videos on best dog foods for Labrador. First Labrador food is wellness core grain-free large breed chicken and turkey recipe dry dog food. It is formulated with nutrients like conodrin and glucosamine. This recipe is great option for promoting healthy joints and bones. That makes it ideal deal for all kinds of large breed adult dogs including your beloved lab. This delicious meal has an excellent balance of nutritious supplements and high quality animal proteins extracted from deboned chicken, turkey meal and chicken meal. Second best dog food is Taste of the Wild by Sierra Mountain grain-free dry dog food. It is easy to become overwhelmed with the variety of options available in the market for your Labrador. But when you see the name Taste of the Wild on the label, you can relax. This high quality formula is rich in with the flavors of roasted lamb. It contains high digestible proteins along with the peas and sweet potatoes to give your large breed dog with the fuel they needed to stay active throughout the day. The grain-free formula also works great for dogs with allergies and other dog sensitives and is one of the best dog foods out there for labs. Next best Labrador food is Blue Buffalo by Life Protection Formula large breed puppy chicken and brown rice recipe dry dog food. The superior quality of this life production formula guarantees the optimal health and well-being of your lab. It features real meat, garden fruits and vegetables, PS's blend of essential nutrients to fulfill all of your dog's nutritional requirement. Give your large breed dog the best dietary support for good health and development. Next best Labrador dog food is Royal Canin by Labrador Retriever Adult Dry Dog Food. This blend is specifically crafted for your Labrador, keeping the super active and athletic nature in mind. The nutrients are not only balanced for this magnificent breed, but the detailing of the kibble processing make it all more unique. Rich in high quality protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals, this is a rich diet to support your lab's bone and health maintenance without compromising on their delicious flavors. This Royal Canin formula is a favorite among lab owners and it certainly deserves it placed in the top 5 foods for Labrador retrievers. Next best Labrador Retrievers food is Brothers Complete by Turkey Meal and Egg Formula Advanced Allergy Care Grain-Free Dry Dog Food. Give your dog a natural diet free from ingredients that could be possible allergens for your pouch. The meal is crafted with care and is grain-free and loaded with the nutrition for your Labrador needs. This excellent combination of ingredients features high-quality protein derived from chicken and turkey, great for labs with sensitive tummies. This grain-free offer is a good choice for overall health and vitality of your lab. Next best dog food for Labrador is Wellness by Large Breed Complete Health Adult Deboned Chicken and Brown Rice Recipe Dry Dog Food. Maintain your Labrador's optimal weight with a complete and balanced diet that's perfect for everyday nutrition. It's a large kibble size is a good option for large breed and giant breed dogs. It is made with a delicious combination of deboned chicken and regulated calories. The nutrients are perfect for building and maintaining lean muscle mass. The formula is free of corn, wheat, soya, artificial flavors and colors, and meat byproducts which are cheap ingredients and common allergens. Next yummiest soup for Labrador is Chicken Soup for the Soul. Large breed chicken, turkey and brown rice recipe dry dog food. The holistic diet guarantees a combination of all natural ingredients and balanced nutrition for your large breed dog. This holistic diet guarantees a combination of all natural ingredients and balanced nutrition for a large breed dog. It contains supreme quality protein extracted from chicken and turkey and other essential nutrition to support your lab's health, wellness and happiness. This formula is created under expert supervision and is rich in essential omegas for healthy skin and a shiny coat. Next large Labrador breed food is Kennedy grain-free pure healthy weight real chicken and pea recipe dry dog food. The precious Poch is naturally prone to obesity which puts him at a greater risk for health problems. If you are looking for a recipe that helps maintain a healthy weight for a Labrador, look no further. Kennedy grain-free food formula is the solution to your problem. The balanced diet features real chicken and pea to keep the blend nutritionally rich and high digestible to keep your dog at a healthy weight. Next Labrador best dog food is American Journey large breed chicken and brown rice protein first recipe dry dog food. The unique formula boosts a great combination of high quality ingredients including chicken and brown rice. While this guarantees an optimal amount of protein, the supplement fiber is another reason why the diet option is so popular among Labrador's owner. The highly digestible formula includes the whole grain carbs, vegetables and fruit as natural sources for essential nutrients to round out the nutrition meal. Next Labrador food is Dr. Gary's Best Breed by Holistic Field Dry Dog Food. Dr. Gary's special formula is a high protein, high energy recipe popular with Labrador owners. Among the various significant nutrients, this blend of kibble is rich in iron, proteinate and other chelated minerals that support absorption. This recipe derives maximum animal protein from chicken meal to ensure only a high quality diet for your lucky lab. Next, support dog food by Active Series Field Dog Chicken and Sweet Potato Formula Flax Free Dry Dog Food. If you are looking for an ideal diet for a highly active Labrador, the Spot Dog Active Series Field Dog Formula should be on top of your list. The recipe features a traditional nutritional balance formula with high protein ingredients like chicken and fish to support great health and promote lean muscle. The rich and high energy formula is also popular with other high energy large breed dogs. Next dog food is Overdone by Natural Chicken Meal and Brown Rice Formula Large Breed Adult Dry Dog Food. Feed your large breed dog a recipe loaded with essential nutrients derived from an excellent combination of supreme quality ingredients. Your Labrador deserves nothing but the best, and this recipe has it all. The best part about the food option is the addition of avocados. The fruit is a rich source of essential omegas, vitamins and minerals to keep your lab exterior shiny and in great condition. This diet is designed for adult dogs and may not be suitable for puppies. Next dog food is Purina Pro Plan Adult Large Breed Chicken and Rice Formula Dry Dog Food. Designed especially for large breeds like Labradors, Purina's Pro Plan Adult Dog Food provides a complete and holistic diet that satisfies all of your dog nutritional requirements. It features a blend of 26% of protein and 12% of fat content that helps condition your dog's muscle while fueling their energy levels. Subscribe and turn on notifications so don't miss any video from Relax Your Dog. Till then, I will see you in the next video. Take care.